Morning, everybody. Today, I talk about serializability and I need CS 402 database management system, second year, fourth semester. Basic of transaction. So this is the most important. Sorry. Good morning, everybody. 19 CS 402 database management system. Second year, fourth semester, unit 4 transaction. Topic number 8, serializability. So why it is important? What is serializability? And we go for problem statement. So serializability, read and write synchronization. If the process read and write synchronization, if the transaction read the value written by another transaction, one schedule that is also does so in the other schedule. The write synchronization, if the transaction override the value another transaction, one schedule does so the other schedule. This is a serializability in process. There are conflict serializability. So conflict serializability, two transaction of two different transaction may want to access of same data in the order to perform read and write operation. The conflict serializability deal with deducting whether the instructions are conflict in any way and specify order in which these instruction will be executed in case of the any conflict. A conflict arise at least one or both of instructions are write operation. So following rules are important to conflict serializability. If the two concurrent transactions are both read and read operation, they are not conflict. They can be allowed to take the place in order. If the one transaction want to perform the read operation, another instruction want to perform the write operation, there are conflict. Hence, they are regarding important. Ordering is important. And if the read operations are performed first, read old value of the data. After the reading is over, the new value data item is returned. If the write instruction is performed first and updated data item is first, new value, read instruction read the new updating the value. This is the following rules important of conflict serializability. Execute all operation transaction T1 in sequence followed by operation of transaction T2 in sequence. So for example, test for conflict serializability. So precedence of graph is used. Let us construct a direct graph known as precedent graph. The graph consists of pair of G equal to V of V comma E, where V is set of vertices, E is edge of edges, set of edges. Algorithm creation of graph. They create node for each transaction. A direct edge Ti tends to Tj. If Tj read as a value of an item returned by Ti, and direct edge Ti tends to Tj if Tj write a value of return after has been read by Ti. The direct edge Ti tends to Tj. If Tj return after Ti return writes. A schedule is conflict serializable if only if the precedent graph is acyclic. So, for example, T1, T2, T3, T4. So this is cycle. This is a cycle. So here one, here one, here one. Suppose here is available. This is there is conflict. This is a cyclic can form that is called conflict serializability. Acyclic form is called conflict serializable. Acyclic form can be created. This is method is available. There is no conflict. This method can be updated. This is called conflict serializability newer transaction. So quicks for check your conflict serializability. First, a transaction RX, RX, RX2, RX and RZ. And transaction 2, RZ, RY, WZ, WY. And transaction 3, RX, RY, WX. First, read and write operation can be followed. But here, read is available. Here, read, write is available. First, the read process can be done. After can calculate your value, if cyclic form is there is no conflict. If a cyclic form can be start, that is called processes conflict your serializability in the state. So check for conflict. Read is available here. Translation read of x is available, and wx is available. Wfx is available. Read x is available. Suppose cyclic form, there is no serializability. So if cycle is not formed, that is called conflict serializability in your system. So this is the answer, non-conflict serial. So cyclic forms create itself, not conflict serial. Non-conflict serial. Okay. Suppose cyclic form not created means that is called acyclic form is conflict serial available in your process. So this is one of the example. What should can yes says read A after updation, read B is after updation. So first let us consider three schedules S1, S2, S3. We have to check whether they have serial or not. So first I have using W of A and W of right is available. First write complete பண்ணது போறோம் R of read பண்ண முடியும். So condition satisfied. W P பண்ணிட்டு W R of P பண்ண முடியும். It is reading B after updation. There is no conflict. So that is called as non-serial. So first read and write updation பண்ண முடியுது. Write and read up பண்ண முடியும். This is not conflict. And read, write and write is possible. So this is conflict serial. Sorry, serial in the process. This is another example. You can find your answer basic condition of the conditions. So if the both transactions are for right operation, then they are not conflict but can be allowed to take place in order because the transaction do not read value operated by each other. However, the value persists and data item after schedule is over than one written by instruction that perform last right.